Do you know you can earn a huge amount of money by selling digital products online? I earned over $10,000 from selling digital products online. Now the question is, what is a digital product? Simply, anything which is digitally downloadable or usable is called a product, like t-shirt design, stock photos or videos, vector stock, etc. Here are 5 high-paid websites which pay a high amount of money to their sellers. Number 1, Etsy. Number 2, Redbubble. Number March 3rd on Amazon. Number 4, Adobe Stock. Number 5, Freepik. But how to start? It's very easy. Step 1, find a digital product niche which you want to sell. Step 2, create a few digital products based on your niche. Step 3, create a contributor account on those websites and upload them. Now the question is, how to create digital product. If you have design skill, you can create t-shirt design, mock-up, etc. If you have a camera, you can capture beautiful photos, shoot videos. If you want to do business with digital products, but you haven't enough time to create digital products or you haven't any skill to create digital products, we are available to create digital products for you. We have huge experience on digital products. We will create amazing digital products for you based on your niche. Contact us, link on the description. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is effective for you, don't forget to share it.